Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is How to Turn Petty Theft into Felony Charges.
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a call in reference to a retail theft in progress.
Always Target, Walmart, Best Buy. Always.
This is her right here.
This one?
Yep.
In the jacket?
Yep.
All right, where's she conceal them? Ma'am, can we talk to you for a second?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, you want to grab your purse?
Yeah. I mean, I'm buying all this.
Okay, we're not. You're not purchasing it. We're going to step outside.
Okay. So I can't purchase nothing.
464 on 1012.
I drink out of the street, so I can
Okay.
that.
Do you have anything else in the purse? Because they've all... Do you have any items in your purse?
No, sir, I do not.
Okay.
Do you
Well, this
want
is...
me to purchase this?
Yeah, you're going to purchase that in a minute. We're going to go outside and talk. Okay?
Okay.
If you leave and there's anything in your purse, you're going to get charged with retail theft.
Yes.
So I'm going to ask you this now. Here's where it doesn't become a crime. You can put it in the basket.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I have a thing in my purse.
I'm in front of register 1 inside the store.
My boyfriend did put in here.
I'm sorry?
My boyfriend did put these in here. And I'll be honest with you.
Okay.
So that,
Where's your boyfriend at?
he already walked out of the store. He had black hair, a black shirt on.
Damn.
And he went out to the car.
Okay.
And that is it from here.
What about the Tostados?
That is from Winn-Dixie.
What else did you guys see?
Where's the bike accessory you took? In your pocket? On your person?
No, I have no bike accessory.
Empty out in pockets?
That was him. He took it. He took the he took the bike accessory. I have nothing.
Okay, where's...
I didn't see my pockets.
Okay. Turn around. Take your hands out of your pockets. Let's see. We're going to do this. What is this that you're concealing in here?
This is his jacket.
Okay. I don't care. I'm asking you.
Okay, that's his jacket. I didn't know he put him in there.
All right.
There's no mail with it.
Yeah, there was.
You can't fix stupid.
Please get off me. Please. I didn't do anything. He did it.
Stop.
He did
Uh-oh.
it. Let me talk to you, please.
45. Respond in here now. Fight. Stop fighting.
Uh-oh, about to get you
I'm
together.
resisting.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Stop fighting. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
Ooh.
Move your hand.
If the boyfriend was smart, he would have been gone.
I lost my body camera. Gary?
I'm really not a bad person.
Didn't say you're a bad person.
Just hungry.
Okay. All right. Well, didn't have to escalate to this. Okay.
Please forgive me.
Okay. Here's what we got.
Please.
I need to get you up. Are you hurt?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, my knee hurts, but
Okay.
I really didn't want to be like that.
Okay. Here's where we gotta go. Okay. I'm gonna roll you up.
Please.
You can sit on your. You can sit on your butt. Okay.
I've been trapped.
Come on.
I've been trapped.
Come on. Hang on. Hang on.
Take it up. Help me. Thank you. I
got it.
I'm not really not a runner. I'm really.
We got it.
I've been trapped in a closet.
You want to go to...
Will you help me?
That's what she had? Yeah.
I have money.
We're in a car right now. We're not doing this.
I'm not doing anything else. I'm staying calm, I promise.
That's on. If you want to...
That's my jacket, please.
I got it here. Go get your car.
I'm fine.
Put it in the car. Then they can do... So this is resistant. Yeah, then I'll do this too.
Please, I was just hungry.
You got a counter for bring your counter for that?
I have money. I was paying for the groceries. I promise.
I don't know what else is in here, but if you don't admit it, we see you on camera, then you're going to get charged.
Ma'am, I'm telling you,
Say it again.
Sir, I really am not that person.
Do you have ID on you?
No.
What's
It's in
your
my
bag?
purse. It's in my purse.
Okay. What does she have?
You know what amazes me? The cops actually gave her a chance to come clean and she still couldn't admit to everything that she had on her. They're talking about the thing for the bike and, you know, and at first you know, if you got anything in your bag, right now is the time to say it or whatever. And she pulls out, you know, after first she said she ain't got nothing in her bag. Then she pulls the stuff out of her bag. And then they like, okay, so you good? You got everything? What happened to the bike accessory? Oh, I don't have that or whatever. They search her, they find the bike accessory. Now you come on. Like, you're already caught. You're caught. It's over with. Just give it up. Just give it up. It's over. I don't understand that. I don't understand what's the reasoning for keep going with the lie and stuff like that. You're already caught. Just give everything up.
Okay.
There was two items in my purse, and they were the bike item, mounting items, and then there was two things in my pocket. My boyfriend
Is where?
he left. He already went out to the car.
Okay, before we go any further, I'm going to read your Miranda rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you're not afforded to talk to a higher lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand what I've said to you? You understand the rights I've explained to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to talk to me now? You willing to talk to me?
They always get stuck on this question. Just say no.
I've been trapped in a house with no food and no water. They told me if I didn't come in here and do this, they were gonna kill me.
Who's this, your boyfriend? And he's where?
He's supposed to be out in the truck in the parking lot. I'm from Indiana.
Okay. Mike should be Indiana DL.
I'm 26 years old.
Oh, here's what I'm gonna do.
I don't want to run.
Well, you ran.
You already tried.
I know because if you know what else to do, they're gonna hurt my family.
Well, you ran.
They're gonna hurt my family.
Just gonna double lock these so they're not too tight on you, okay?
So I caught on her in grocery when she first started, and I had eyes on her the whole time. There was never mail with her.
Not that guy.
Whoever she was FaceTiming with told her to go get these.
Okay, he's double locked now.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you over here. Over here.
Okay.
Come on back. Take that seat, brother. Thanks, man. You good? Okay.
Damn, bullied my man out the seat.
I'm gonna need her really bad.
Which one?
My right knee.
Your right knee?
Yes, please. And please call my mom.
No, you can call her from later.
I haven't been able to talk to her. For months.
What's up? Come on, let's walk to the front of the car.
Oh, okay, sorry.
You have no needles, right?
No.
No nothing. There's already needles in your purse.
Correct.
No needles in your bra.
They're in the hard case.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah. There's no needles in your bra. There's no needles in your pants. Nothing.
No.
What's the rock?
Methamphetamine.
That's what I figured.
I've been locked in a trailer, and I haven't talked to my mom. And then look, you can see my eyes being gasped open. I promise you.
Okay. Check for fit.
I'm really not gonna hurt nobody.
Fit's good.
I promise.
Turn around. Put one foot in. Okay. Slide yourself in. There you go. Tuck your feet in.
You have any questions?
No, thank you. Can you move my hair out of my face, please?
I don't have any gloves on right now. Just
Okay, sorry.
Just hang out. All right, we're gonna get you with the retail theft now. Since I gave you that option, you still concealed it in your pocket of your jacket.
And I honestly...
It was okay. You got the resisting because you didn't want to comply. You got the drug charge, which is a felony, and then a misdemeanor drug paraphernalia.
What's the drug charge?
The methamphetamine.
Okay, so why is it a felony?
Because drugs in Florida are a felony on certain classifications.
I mean, I didn't know. Sorry.
Well,
Why is it a felony?
drugs are bad.
In the end, 27-year-old Adriana was charged with second-degree petty theft, resisting an officer without violence, possession of methamphetamine, and possession of drug paraphernalia. She pled no contest and was adjudicated guilty on all charges. She was sentenced to 30 days in jail and her license was suspended for 6 months. She was ordered to pay $1,730.50 in costs and fines. To date, she has paid $53.50. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe.
She's paid $50 and she owes what, $1,600 or $1,000, whatever it was. She's cooked. But hey, you know, at least she got 30 days in jail. A lot of times you don't even see that. A lot of times you don't see that. They might get 2 days, 2-3 days, and that's it. Wow. I wonder if the boyfriend was actually out there though. If he was out there, he was gone. He got up out of there. Quick, boy. As soon as you see the cops pull up, gone. See ya. You know what I'm saying? Boyfriend who? Not me. I'm gone. That's crazy, man. But oh well, it happens. Like I said, yeah, she should have just been honest. Like once you caught, you caught. Just be honest. It's over with. But oh well. I get a cops 4 out of 5, man. They did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.